Alright, all big hits here. Sunday, June 10th with our second box, Panini Timeless Treasures. And here's our team list. Whoop. Anyways, there it is. And before we get to the Timeless Treasures box, we have a bonus box. And the usual NFL graded card, guaranteed mint or better. So we'll find out what's in there, and somebody will win a graded card today for free. So good luck to everybody. As usual, there's our pack of whatever cards, and then graded card is right down in there. So I'll leave that for a minute. And we'll see what's in our 2009 Philadelphia cards. A bunch of base, that's all I know. So we got Donnie Jones, Reggie Bush, Mario Williams, Merriweather, Pennington, Kevin Smith, Hines Ward, Robert Meacham, Jason Witten, Jabril Wilson. Alright, that's useful. And the rest of the base. Let me know if you saw somebody in there that you wanted for some reason. I can send that out for you. Alright. We got Chris Johnson, Chris Cooley, Mike Peterson, Ward Dunn, Edrin James, Mini of Devin Hester for the Bears. And the Bears was Cubs rule, so let me know if you want that mini thing. Vincent Jackson, Takeo Spikes, Andre Johnson, Sean Hill. Graded card is for the Buffalo Bills and Lemmy 5005 CJ Spiller. Rookie card. Score 2010. Gem 9.5. Gem mint. So there it is. You get a graded CJ Spiller rookie card for the Bills. Congrats. Alright. On to the Timeless Treasures. And our box number this week, as I sent out in the email, is LF3252499764. So hopefully you can see part of that. And here we go. And empty. Just like that. Alright. So we have Reggie Bush for the New Orleans Saints, Buddy for Fun. Numbered out of 499 for the New England Patriots. And Cubs rule, Shane Vereen, running back. Football auto there. And then for the Jacksonville Jaguars, Buddy for Fun, we got a game day souvenir, David Garrard jersey. That was numbered 175 out of 185, and this Shane Vereen was 17 out of 265. Alright, and then on the next hit, again, Buddy for Fun, with the Peyton Manning game day souvenir, Bengals versus Colts game worn jersey. Not a bad hit. And that's 199 out of 250. And then Felix Jones for the Cowboys, Buddy for Fun again. And that's 39 out of 99. So there it is. And I'll be right back with your bonus video.